Do you still consider Western men ideal partners for Filipinas? Which country's men drive you crazy and are the ones you would like to date someday? If a foreigner wants to retire in the Philippines, how long should he visit to decide whether he should do so or not? We read online that someone commented, educated, middle class Filipinas won't date older foreigners. Only the uneducated poor ones will. How do you feel about that? What's your name and age?
I'm Janelle and I am 21 years old.
Janelle, you have this very beautiful, expressive face. I love that. You're welcome. How are you tonight?
Actually, I'm really tired because I just got from school, and yeah, that's
It is tiring, right? Studying. Okay, don't worry, you don't look like you're tired. Still beautiful. You're welcome. So here's the question. Do you still consider Western men ideal partners for Filipinas?
honestly, I've met a lot of Western men online. I've met, and I think like they're uh in my perspective, yes, they're still ideal man for us Filipinos because they're very, caring. Pwede Tagalog?
English.
Okay. Yeah, perfect.
You're
Perfect.
caring and perfect.
Yeah, yeah.
Um,
Out. Filipino men. Walang sinabi.
oh. Okay. You met a lot of Western men online. Was it like in person or just online?
Just online. Mm.
Like message, but never met one in person.
Not yet.
But if there's a chance, you would, right?
Yeah, I would. That's great.
Okay. Which country's men drive you crazy and are the ones you would like to date someday?
You know, Turkish. Yeah, their the body, the build of their body. Oh my god, it's giving. Oh my God.
If a foreigner wants to retire in the Philippines, like he wants to live here for good, how long should he visit to decide whether he should do so or not? Like how long should he stay here to decide if he's going to stay or not?
I think for about a year, because Philippines has a lot of um places to go. Like we can go. Maybe he want to go somewhere that is nice and he can live comfortably. But yeah,
A year. Okay, a year. Okay, so he can travel because we have so many islands, right? Different places. We have Luzon, Visayas, and many more. Like, okay,
so a month cannot. Um, you know,
you can't decide if you're just going to stay for a couple of months. It should be a year.
or enough.
A year or more. This one, I want you to be very honest, okay? Like, very honest. We read online that someone commented, educated, middle class Filipinas won't date older foreigners. Only the uneducated, poor ones will. Now, how do you feel about that?
Oh my god, it's a lame comment. It's not all about how um it's not about the position of a woman, it's about how they feel towards someone. It's not about the status or anything. It's about how someone makes you feel. And I believe that if that someone, whether it's old or middle aged man, if that makes me feel special and that makes me feel loved, then I will go for it, and I will value that relationship. And that comment, that's very lame. To be honest.
Very lame.
Yeah.
Okay, that's how you feel. That's very lame.
Yeah, it's lame.
Okay.
It's not, it doesn't make sense.
Well, you are 21 years old, right? How about you? Would you ever date an older guy?
And my age, like it depends on the guy.
Depends. I'll take that as a yes.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So see her, she's 21, she's studying, and you look like you got money. Sorry, I'm not judging you, Val. Okay, I'm not judging you, but you look like you're presentable. You take good care of yourself. I don't think you are, you're poor. I don't think you are uneducated, and she would date an older guy. So she shall approve.
Problem. That's not a problem. If that guy makes me feel loved and special, then I would go for it.
I love that. Are you single?
Yes, I am.
How long have you been single?
For almost a 1 year.
A year now. You need a boyfriend.
Yeah, I need one. But I'm still studying and I'm focusing more on my career, so maybe love will just come.
You're not closing your door.
Time. Yeah.
What course are you taking, Beth?
I'm currently taking nursing po. Nursing.
Beautiful nursing.
Yeah. I plan to go to other countries when I finish my studies.
Like what country?
Um my first option will it's USA. Next Canada.
We have so many viewers from USA. You wanna say
Hi everyone. See you soon. See you soon, guys.
how many more years you before you graduate?
Only 2 years.
2 years. So soon you'll be in the USA. Do you have relatives from US?
No, from Dubai.
What is your name and age?
I'm Nessie, 25.
How are you tonight, Ma'am Nessie?
I'm fine and happy.
Do you still consider Western men ideal partners for Filipinas?
Well, yeah, I don't think there would be any problem with having a relationship with any men, be it in Western or in other countries, as long as these men are treating any Filipino women or any women in the world right.
Which country's men drive you crazy and are the ones you would like to date someday?
I didn't try any men from outside my country, so I cannot give any idea about that.
No idea. But how about someone that you feel like, I think I want to date, someone from this country, like that?
Russian men.
May we know what's the reason?
Uh, because I think they're more sweeter uh, than the other men here in my country.
Okay. Now, this one, if a foreigner wants to retire in the Philippines, how long should he visit to decide whether he should do so or not?
A year, maybe a year.
Okay. For the last question, we read online that someone commented, educated, middle class Filipinas won't date older foreigners, only the uneducated, poor ones will. How do you feel about that?
Well, it all boils down to preference. So I can't give any side comments about them because if it's their preference, so I believe as long as that these men treating these women right, whether you are educated or not, you'll have a good relationship with them.
Are you still studying?
No.
May we know what's your job, ma'am?
I'm in a learning institution.
How about you? You're 25 years old, right? Do you see yourself with an older foreigner?
Yeah, I'm open to that.
You're okay with that. Are you single or are you with someone? Like, do you have a boyfriend? Are you married?
No, single,
How long have you been single?
3 years.
3 years. Wow, that's quite long already. Are you looking for like a serious relationship now?
Yeah, of course. I'm very open to meeting someone.
What is your name and age?
And 30.
How are you tonight, Anne?
Good.
You're 30 years old. You don't look like you're 30. You look like you're in your early 20s. You're welcome. Here's the question. Do you still consider Western men ideal partners for Filipinas?
Generally, yes.
I still see them as ideal partner for Filipinas, as I can see from vloggers or some friends. They have foreigner partners, and I see that they're doing well. So good.
If a foreigner wants to retire in the Philippines, how long should he visit to decide whether he should do so or not?
Like visit the Philippines.
Yes, like how long should he stay here to decide whether he should stay or not?
Oh,
Or retire here, I mean.
okay. That actually depends on what he wants to do here, or
Retire.
to retire
To live here for good.
here for good. It depends, because though we have different culture, we still have different personality. So it still depends on the foreigner. But actually, I think the ideal would be a year. Yes, I think that.
We read online that someone commented, educated, middle class Filipinas won't date older foreigners. Only the uneducated, poor ones will. How do you feel about that?
Not entirely sure. I'm not entirely sure. It's their preference. So I'm really not sure what to comment on that.
May we know what's your name and age, please?
My name is Ange, age 21.
How are you tonight, Ange?
I'm good. I'm pretty good.
Okay. She's with her friends and they're waiting for Ange. So here's the question. Do you still consider Western men ideal partners for Filipinas?
I think it's yes. Actually, it depends on how Filipinos or Filipinas have a standard when it comes sa men. When it comes in men, no. Kasi, I mean, because Filipinas has a very own standard when it comes in choosing a partner, a, which is yun nga, Western, right? So I think it's a yes.
Interesting. You mentioned about they have this standard, right? May we know what are these standards?
Standards like hospitable and very generous. And when it comes in Filipino culture, like what do you call this one? Responsible enough and very family oriented and God centered.
Which country's men drive you crazy and are the ones you would like to date someday?
Uh, I think actually before I have this standard of Koreans, Koreans.
How about now? The same?
The same.
Okay. If a foreigner wants to retire in the Philippines, how long should he visit to decide whether he should do so or not?
Sorry, can
Okay. How long, like for example, if a foreigner wants to live here for good, retire here for good in the Philippines, how long should he stay here to decide whether if he's going to stay or not?
I think it's enough if they'll take 2 to 3 years, I think. Because they can adopt the culture in Philippines.
2 to 3 years. Okay, this one I want you to be very honest, be okay? Like how do you really feel about this? Okay, we read online that someone commented, educated middle class Filipinas won't date older foreigners. Only the uneducated poor ones will. How do you feel about that?
I feel so I think it's a what do you call this one? They're having a very low what do you call this one? They're having a very low mentality when it comes in Filipinos. No, kasi I think we're capable enough naman din even though we're not well educated to date foreigners. No, so I think it's a very low profile. So
Like judging some,
yeah. It's kind of offending.
You are 20, 21, still studying, be?
No po.
Working.
Business.
That's amazing. Businesswoman.
Yeah.
Ah, that's amazing. At the age of 21 years old. May we know what's your business, if it's okay?
MLM company. Network marketing.
Networking.
Yeah.
Wow. At the age of. So you're like a successful Filipino, right?
We're going through it.
Okay. Are you single, be, or are you in a relationship?
Single.
Single. How long have you been single?
21.
No boyfriend since birth. Wow. Do you like see yourself sooner or later to have like your first boyfriend? No, I still focus on business.
Yeah.
To be successful. Okay.
Career.
Career first, then you'll just like enjoy yourself before like you want to settle down. That's good. Well, anyway, thank you so much. We will really appreciate your time. Thank you. Hopefully, we earned your subscription, and also if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you for watching, and take care, everyone. Bye bye.